Hello, welcome 60 Graphics. My name is CG, which is 60. Today we are continuing with our session of Pharmacy Inventory Management System. As you see here to my screen, I have the new vision of the database compared to the previous episode 19. So I want to pass you through these changes, small changes I have made to the database. I remember we ended up with sign up, forgot password, and so this have changed a lot. Let me go to the design view, so as we can see what changes we made to this form. Okay, this is our form. First of all, we have this one, a sign in option with the image here. I have three images here, this image, and when I write the correct username, it appear the name of the certain gender like this. When you see, when there is no user, I have that image with that label with the words user not exist. But when I complete the username like this, it will appear the image of a man, because I am a man, so it determines the sex of the user. Okay, and when I write the another for image, it appear the image of a female, because it identifies the sex of that user. As you see there, I have written the area, then the image appeared for the female. That is the first change. The another change, this one, in the password here, when we type this password, we can preview our password like this, so you can see, and then we can hide our password. Also, we have made this text box, this one. I will show you how this text box to be like this one. I have added these icons here, and I have also shifted the way the sign up appeared, like this. When I click here, the sign up will appear here. Okay, compared to the previous one, the sign up was popping up to this window, but now it's pop up to a side. Okay, and when I click forgot password, it will appear here like this one. So I will show you how to make this one. Is one of my my follower encouraged me to continue with this tutorial, so just give me an encouragement, so I can bring more tutorial for this database. If you want to buy the source code, the link is in the description, so as you can go and purchase your source code and customize as you want. For now, who are not able to buy the source code, let us go slow through different episodes. So let me go to the and when I click this one, this button, the back arrow, it will appear like this one. And you see I have here, this is the background. The background is D, like you see. When I go to design view, you see it appear like this, but when I preview this form, it come the dim. Okay, this is a transparency, so is the feature also I have added it to my database, transparency, so we will see. Okay, let us go and check what the difference. Okay, here I have the form. Okay, but behind the form I have the image. Okay, the image, you can check out your editor, any editor of application, any editor application for vectors or Adobe, After Effects, any application editor can you can download the image. But for myself here, I have made this image so as to fit my form here. Okay, I have this one, this Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so I've made this image from Adobe Illustrator, and customize this is with the background, drop down, shadow, and so on. And here I have accumulated and embed these forms, the forgot password and with the image which appeared in font with this text and the other and this one. So let us see what make this marvelous to appear here. Okay, first of all, we start with this image. Here we have this image. Okay, we have this image. So let me go in this text box, unbound text box, and on change we go on change. Let us go on change and check what is on change, as you see here now. Okay, on change we first declare the variable username is a string, and dim strSQL is a string, dim RSS do dot record set. We set the username is equal to me dot text username. Okay, this one is the text username is named. So we set the SQL variable. We select gender. Okay, we select gender from table employee. So to your employee table, you must edit your table. Let me show you here. My employee table. Where is my employee table? Table employees. Okay, this one. Going to design view. So you see here I have added this gender. So this is gender, and it is a combo box which you can add a value list, male or female. Okay, let me show you here what it means in gender. In gender we have the drop down like this. If you don't know to create a drop down, I have more episodes, previous episodes there, you can see how to create, but let me show you for the demo here. For example, when here maybe gender 2, then I want to be this combo box. Okay, I will click this in the drop down menu, then I'll go to lookup wizard, then we pop up this window lookup wizard, then I will go here, I will type in the value that I want. So I'll click this one, then I'll go right here, maybe male, and here female. Okay, then I will click next. If you want to limit to list, you can limit to list. If you want to allow male or female in the same user, you can allow here allow multiple value. Then I'll click finish. So is when I save this one here and come here to my gender 2. When I click this one, it will appear the drop down menu like this one. So we can click here and see to choose the required gender. But if the user wants to add its own the specific gender apart from this, he or she can click this one, the edit items. Okay, that's so. Let me go and edit this one. Okay, you can do this one like this one. Okay, you see my table here. Okay, we have passed this through the previous videos, so you can retype passwords, and gender, join date, question 1, answer 1, question 2, answer 2, this one. So that is the case. So now we continue here. So we select, we declare we give the value of the strSQL equal to select gender. Here we select gender from the table employees, where login ID, I've said that login ID is equal to username. Okay, here to my table here, login ID equal to username. So you can specify for your application here. For my table equal to username, also where login ID equals to me.text username.text. Okay, we put text here because we want to filter to check the text. When you write on change, we want to check the text, not the value. Okay, we put the text. Okay, so we concatenate this text box to this one. So when the username equals to the username in our table and the gender, then it will pop up the form, not the form. Okay, the picture. Okay, so we set the set rs. We declare the rs here is the record set current db.open record set. That record set is equal to what? We open this one sql. Then we loop through those rs. Okay, we loop through that one, that if not rs dot end of file, then if rs is gender, okay, and is equal to male, then me dot image man v dot visible equal to true, me dot image woman dot visible false, me dot label user dot visible equal to false, me dot image user dot visible equal to false. So you see here I have used the else if and within the rs end of file. So we loop through this one until here. So else, as if not, to handle the case now, handle the case when there is no record is found for the login id main user. Okay, so we set this equal to false, we set the label user is equal to red, we set the label user bound caption is equal to user not exist, me dot user we set is equal to true, it will appear, and this one will appear, and this one will not appear. So this is the logic here. You can see my logic here, the code here. We declare this variable, then we assign the variable, then we set the current record set, then we go through the data to our table and relate it to our form. Okay, you see the value here. So that's how I made that one here. We see you here. Okay, do you see? So when there is no user, when the user is not like this, it will say user not existing and that image shown. And when the user is existing, it will determine the gender and it will show the image of man. And when the user exists, it will show the image male when they assigned to be a male. So that's so. Then we come here to password. In the password, to show and hide password, I had this image. This is image 42 and the image 41. Okay, I have two images here, image 42, 41 and image. So I want image 42. Yes, this one. So here now you can see here on change we have this one, we have explained this one. Let me show you this one here. When I write password here, it will pop up this label and show the password is short, and when the password is clear, it will say the password is okay, like this one. Let me show you here. When I write this one, okay, and I write my password here, so it says the password is okay. But when I write this one, maybe I write the wrong username like this one, and I write the correct password, it will say invalid username, but the password is correct. So you see the way the logic here now. So I think this logic I have explained in previous tutorial. I think the episode 19 has this explanations, if not 18, like so. So let me go to this one. Okay, to show and hide password. So we have this this eye. So let's go to, when you click the eye here, first of all we declare some variable like this. Dim text password is text box. Okay, set text password is me dot this one. We have set the text password equal to me dot text password. Text password is this one. This text box is called text password. Here you see here to the property sheet. Then okay, then we go me dot btn forgot password dot set focus. We set focus to the forgot password, so we set the focus to forgot password, and if text password input mask, so we check the input mask, okay, is equal to empty string. Okay, if text password dot input mask is equal to empty string, then we show the character normally, like this one. Text password dot input mask is equal to password. Okay, then me dot image this one dot visible. is equal to false. This image 42 is equal to visible is equal to false. Then image 41 not visible is equal to true. So else hide the character and the asterisk. So when you hide, then the image for sure will appear. So the image 42 is for sure, and the 41 is for hide. Okay, I think you understand here the logic. So the issue is here. If text password with input mask is equal to empty string, then show character normally. Remember, text password with input mask is equal to password, because when we assign the text box to have the input mask, the property, let me show you here. Let me show you here to the property here. Property data. You see here the input mask is equal to password. You see, is equal to password. In order to put the asterisk, the input mask here is equal to password. So in this logic here, we check. So if we want to show the characters, normally we put the text dot input mask is equal to password. First of all, it's empty string. Then if it's equal to password, then this one will be this one, this one will be this one. We say show is equal to 42, okay, image 42 plus, okay, I think you get me. If okay, this is for image 42 on click, then we have the image 41 on click. Okay, also we change the thing, like, so here you see the image 41 is equal to visible equal to false. Then here image 41 visible is equal to false. So it's the same thing, because we have else and we have else here. Okay, I think you understand. So check the code and use it your own. Okay, like so. Ooh. Okay, I think that's all. These icons only. I have no any code. Then here I have this form and another form and this what image, okay, with texts and the and icons. Okay, so I have built this when I click this one, will open this form again. As when the form is loading, first of all it will show this image, not this. I will hide this one, these forms here. So let us see when the image is loading, when the not image not when this form is loaded. Unload, we can see here. Okay, we can see here this I have explained this one. So it is marked for end user. So if you see here, this is wishes. Okay, okay, but we can have that one only rather than having this, all of this one. Okay, let me show you here. Do you see here this one, the logic is here. Okay, we forms background F. This is background F. This login form, this contain these forms, is background F. Then employee registrations. Then we come to this form. One of the form here is employee registration. So the sign up form is called the employee registration. Visible dot visible equal to false, and the other one, they forgot password. Password reset f dot visible is equal to false. So as it will appear only this image with the available text to the image, like this one. When I see, so when I click sign up, it will appear this one, and hide the image and hide the other password reset forgot password, like this. Let's show in sign up here. When go to code here, you see I have many labels, different things here, but the logic here, we must refer to the form, like this one, form background F employee registration. If it has spaces, we must enclose into this square brackets dot visible is equal to true. So as we want the form employee registration to be equal to be visible, and hide the password reset and hide those things all over. Okay, I mean these things here. This welcome to Afia system database. These words here and this image to be hide to be hidden. Also, this logic apply to the same here. Okay, apply to the same here. So as you can see how you can navigate from one to the other. Also, I have the image. This is an image which I have made it to my Illustrator program, and I have this arrow, the back arrow. When I click this back arrow, it will open this form again, so it will appear as the normal form. Okay, that's all. That's the logic there. So I think here we have passed through the changes and what this one. So let us go and check this can say let us go and check the sign up but we have checked it. You can add the gender like me here. Okay, you can add the gender questions. So my application has accessibilities, so somebody can log in as admin and somebody can log directly when someone is signing up here from this page here. He or she will become a user, directly become a user. But to be admin, the one I created the application, I can assign the owner of this application to be admin, and the owner will assign others to be admin or user. So this the place where you can log in, you can sign up. Okay, you can sign up. So the addition here changes is gender, so you can add gender to your table. Then so, and forgot passwords here has no change. Okay, only changes are graphical, but the logic is the same. So you click, then you select your questions and answer them, then you reset password. But I have made some changes to reset password. Formerly the previous episode we seen the password was the password. Yeah, okay. Means that when you click reset password, it will the program delete your password and give and assign the word password to your password text box, so as you can as a default password. But now I have randomly generation of code I have made here. So when one is resetting his password, so he can get the random password and copy the password and paste the password. So let us check that one, gain the logic from this app. Let me sign up. Okay, I'm signing here like up here. Username I put test. Okay, password 123456789. So you see here when I start writing the I appeared, so I can see my password and I can hide my password. Email I can put test gmail.com. Then gender here I can put male. Then my answer, first school to attend, I can put W. Answer 2, middle name of my mother's name, W. Answer 3, I can put W. So I register, so it tells me yes, just log in again. You see like this. Yep. So I'm coming here. You remember our password? Our password is test. Oh no, test. Yes, you see. Then in my password is 123456789. Okay, password is okay. Then I log in like this one. So if I forgot my password, I will come here and forgot password. You remember, I want to show you how I made changes to the default password that the database gives you to access login to the system. So I'll click forgot password, then I'll load the tests. My username is test. Then the first answer it was first school. Then I put W. The second answer was this one, W. The answer was this one, I put W. Then I will reset my password here. So just check here what the changes I have made. When I click this one, if these answers are correct and the username is correct related to these answers, then it will pop up this temporary password. Do you see here the 2KMOYI7Y6E? This is the temporary password. So now your password is this one, but when you click OK, then you click again, it will come the another password. So wherever you generate the forgot password, it will give you different characters and the numbers, so you can log in. So here you can come here and click this one. This is copy. You can copy and say copy, okay, and click OK. Then when I come here to write test, okay, and I write the previous password like 1234567 invalid password. Okay, you see, but when I click Control C, Control V, you see our password is okay. When you let's view this password, okay, you see. So here now you can log in and go the to your administrator, and will assign you the password. So also you can come here to my info and correct your password. Okay, also here I will put an I, so as you can see, you can edit your password here. So you have seen the changes I've made good passwords. For that updates, for this update, we can continue from login system. Okay, login system here, how it work here, how will this work? Okay, how will this work?